Hi everyone. So in this video today, we're going to decorate this bright and beautiful summer clothes DIY. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out here by wiping the clothes down, and I had already removed the items that were in it. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. So now you move away all the old items, and then you go and grab the items that you're going to display on this clothes, and look at this trio of macarons. All of the things that I'm placing in here are summer related. Look at that milkshake. Then we have the bird and some florals, and that would probably be enough to display here in this clothes for the summer. Now, I DIY'd this clothes, so I got this all from the Goodwill. So we got that big fish bowl. I got a small little candle holder that's up on the top is the knob, and then we have the plates. Creating this beautiful display here with this clothes on a budget. Now this is all done. I think it looks beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, isn't this gorgeous, guys? I am loving it. Beautiful display for summer. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.